There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Property Sue if you're new here, and today we are touring this lovely Airbnb. It's along Mombasa Road, a few minutes from the airport, and it is in Greenpark Estate, and it goes for $150 per night. And of course, or if you convert that to Kenyan shillings, it's roughly between 15 to 16,000 shillings. This is the living area. It is very well done in terms of interior decor, very elegant. The dining area is enough for 6. The kitchen has a 4-burner cooker and filtered drinking water, and the water pressure here is very high. Also, numerous electrical appliances are available. The host has got you covered, and so you're going to be getting value for your money, and this will surely be a home away from home.
But there's nothing I can do.
Look at that. The host has got you covered for all your laundry requirements. There's a washing machine there. Remember the water pressure? Now it will come in handy when you're using your washer.
Your dreams, how I feel. You deserve better than me.
In addition to the 3 bedrooms upstairs, there is this DSQ, which can be used as an extra bedroom. Look at this lovely backyard. It's so big, good for when you want to take a stroll, when you're bored of staying indoors. I tell you, this is just home.
Up the door, but there's nothing I can do. I can never get to you, so I'm looking for a miracle. Like if somebody be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream. It's how I feel. You deserve better than.
That's the downstairs part for you, and now let's head upstairs. On this level, we have this landing that leads to the 3 bedrooms and a shared washroom. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom, which is similar to the second bedroom. Very elegant, very nicely done. This is the shared bathroom. Last but definitely not least, we have the master bedroom. Here is your lovely balcony, a very good view of the estate. And at this point, just like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and make a booking. Here is the bathroom. It comes with a tub. Yes, and that's about it. This is the final part of the house. Very elegant and very warm and welcoming. Make your bookings on the number in the video, and until next time, it has been your girl Property Sue, and bye.